Hello everyone, and welcome to my review of the Luxpro XP916 Rechargeable LED Flashlight. The Luxpro XP916 Rechargeable LED Flashlight features a tack grip rubber grip, can run 18 hours in the low mode, and up to 3 hours in the other modes. It has a 2000 milliamp hour 18650 lithium-ion battery that is USB rechargeable. The flashlight carries an XP-X4 rating, which means it is resistant to water splashes from any direction. It also is safe to drop from 1 meter or 3.28 feet without damage. If you switch the lamp to its most powerful beam, you should be able to see objects up to 350 meters or 1,148 feet. Luxpro provides a limited lifetime warranty for the flashlight. You will have to visit the Luxpro website to see the details for the warranty. The URL for the Luxpro website, as well as this warranty statement, are printed on the flashlight's packaging. A USB cable is provided with the flashlight. It has a Type A USB connector on one end and the Type 2 style connector on the other. It does not include the USB power supply. The rubber grip feels secure, and twisting the end cap reveals the USB charging port. The flashlight is well balanced, and it feels comfortable in the hand. It comes with the batteries already charged. And overall, I think the fit and finish on the flashlight is superb. To charge the flashlight, twist the end cap to the left, and then insert the USB Type 2 connector into the charge port. There is a charging lamp that will illuminate. It is red while the flashlight is charging. Be sure to use a battery charger that is at least rated for 2 amps. When the battery has become fully charged, the charge indication lamp will signal a bright green. Simply unplug the cable and twist the end cap to the closed position. The power switch is located on the flashlight on the opposite end of the lamp itself. To cycle through the various brightness modes, simply push the button and then push it again within 3 seconds of the previous push, and you'll move to the next light mode. There is also a strobe mode available if you push the power button and hold it for 3 seconds. The Luxpro XP916 is a powerful and easy to use flashlight that I'm glad to have around for those moonless nights. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you found this review helpful.